set, please.
I take mine black.
Ladies, you're late. Please get yourselves into makeup and wardrobe right away. Makeup! Craft services. We'll break for lunch after we get this shot.
Roll sound.
Sound speed.
Here we go. Roll camera.
Can we mark this, please? Universal Animal Actors opening. Take one.
Lights. Camera. And action.
Live from Universal Studios Hollywood, welcome to Universal's Animal Actors.
Hi, my name is Amy Bueller, and I'm an animal trainer here at Universal Studios Hollywood. This is Tom. He's a rescue cat, and he appeared in the movie Dr. Dolittle. When I started working at a local rescue facility, I had the opportunity to work with coyotes, llamas, feral pigs, and opossums. It was working with these amazing creatures that led me to want to become an animal trainer. I'm lucky to work with a great group of trainers and staff here at the show that truly care for and love all of our animal stars. On behalf of everyone here at Universal's Animal Actors, we hope that you have a great time and enjoy the show.
And now, please welcome one of Hollywood's top animal trainers from Birds and Animals Unlimited, Miss Amy Bueller.
Hi, everyone! Thank you and welcome to Universal's Animal Actor Show. My name is Amy, and that little girl is my friend Nanu. Hi, Nanu. There's some very interesting smells down there, so she needs to make sure and check them all out, even though we are in the middle of a show. You ready? Good. Now, Nanu and I both work for Birds and Animals Unlimited, a company that has been training animals in film and television for over 40 years. Something that many people don't know is that some of their favorite animal stars are rescues. Just like my friend Nanu, they got their start right here on this stage in front of a live audience. A little later in the show, we're going to show you what Nanu had to learn to get her big break. Until then, we'll see you later. Off you go. Now it's time to get things started with a little friend of mine from the movie We Bought a Zoo. This is Sparky. Hi, Sparky. Now, Sparky and I need an adult volunteer, someone about halfway up in one of these two sections. An adult volunteer, about halfway up in one of these. How about you in the brown jacket? Why don't you stand up? Stay right where you are and please get out a $1 bill. Now the reason that I asked for a volunteer for a $1 bill is because Sparky is a newer volunteer and may feel uncomfortable finding someone that he doesn't know. As in the movie clip from Evan Almighty, we train our birds to recognize and fly with common objects. In this case, it just happens to be $1. Got a $1 out? Great! Why don't you put it between 2 fingers with your arms straight out to the side. Sparky's gonna see that $1 and know exactly where to fly.
Wow.
Excellent job, Sparky. Now,
Wow.
well, thank you, Sparky. Enjoy the show. Is there anyone over here with a $20 bill? You have a $20 bill? I'm just kidding with you. I'm gonna get this back to you. I'm gonna have you stand back up. Now, I'm gonna make this a little easier on Sparky. I'm gonna have you put both arms out to the side. Great. Now you flap real hard and fly right down here and get it. Just one arm out to the side, palm up like a little landing pad. Just that one arm. You put that one down. There we go. Sparky, she's been a good sport. He's gonna take this and put it. You're not taking that. You need to make sure to get a good tight grip on it, okay? Now take this and put it right back where you found. Sparky wants me to do all the work today. All right, Sparky, let's give you a little break. We're gonna walk around the stage a little bit, get him reacquainted with this behavior. I wanna make sure that he's comfortable doing this. So Miss, would you mind standing in the aisle for him? Sometimes our birds see things that we don't see. I wanna make sure that he's not seeing anything that I don't see. Okay, so take this and put it right back where it's down there.
Aw.
And folks, that's Sparky. Thank you, Sparky. You're all done tonight. Off you go. Go. Right over here. Right here. And here. There we go. And that's our stagehand. Not only do we work with cute little birds like Sparky, sometimes we need to challenge ourselves with something a little bit larger, like a bird of prey. As seen in Universal's movie Lady Hawk, Matthew Broderick catches that hawk with both precision and grace in a spectacular feat of flight. We're going to recreate this movie moment. If you please focus your attention to the small closed box at the back corner of the arena, we're going to be flying down a star that you may recognize from the movie 3:10 Ladies and gentlemen, this is Arrow. Brown jacket and glasses. Miss, do you want to try it with Arrow? Can we get that $1 out? No? Chicken. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Arrow. Now, Arrow is an African auger hawk, part of the raptor family. A group of birds that includes hawks, eagles, kites, falcons, vultures, and owls. We'd like to introduce you to some cousins of Arrow in a rare close-up appearance. Say hello to Iris and Olympus. Iris and Olympus are Eurasian eagle owls, who you may recognize